with locally higher amounts across. The National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee has issued a flood warning for the Obion River near Obion from Sunday, January 20th until Thursday, January 24th. At 11 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 31.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Maximum forecast stage of 35.0 feet on Monday, January 21st. Flood stage is 34.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Sunday, January 20th and continue to rise to near 35.0 feet by Monday, January 21st. The river will fall below flood stage by Thursday, January 24th. At 35.0 feet, several secondary roads and large areas of farmland are flooded in northern Dyer County. Flooding is occurring around Reeves in southeast Obion County. Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee has issued a flood warning for the south F of the Forked-Deer River at Jackson from Saturday, January 19th until Sunday, January 20th. At 11 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 33.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Maximum forecast stage of 35.0 feet on Sunday, January 20th. Flood stage is 34.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by Saturday, January 19th and continue to rise to near 35.0 feet by Sunday, January 20th. The river will fall below flood stage by Sunday, January 20th. At 35.0 feet, the east bank of the South Fork of the Forked-Deer River overflows, flooding low-lying areas of the University of Tennessee Agriculture Experiment Station. Agriculture Experiment Station. At Savannah until Thursday, January 24th. At 8 p.m. Saturday, the stage was 368.4 feet. Memphis, Tennessee has issued a flood warning for the Tennessee River at Savannah from Sunday, January 20th until further notice. At 1 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 369.6 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Maximum forecast stage of 375.4 feet on Sunday, January 27th. Flood stage is 370.0 feet. At 375.0 feet, road going north from Catfish Lane to Coffee Landing Road is flooded near the Highway 64 bridge. Sections of Coffee Landing Road are under 5 feet of water. Until Tuesday, January 22nd. At 7 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 32.0. Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee has issued a flood warning for the south F of the Forked Deer River near Halls from Monday, January 21st until Tuesday, January 22nd. At 11 a.m. Monday, the stage was 8.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Maximum forecast stage of 9.0 feet on Monday, January 21st. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. At 9.0 feet, farmland near the river is flooded.